It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. I can't breathe, so I have to take it off. So today I'm going to show you how I spent my Sunday afternoon at East Legon. So I'm at a food joint. I'm going inside and I'm going to eat it. Today it's not the normal static cuisine thing. Today someone is going to cook for me to eat. So join me. Yeah. I'm waiting for the water to wash my hands, then I'll get it done. So you can join me if you want to. Okay, so before I start, I want to tell you something small about what I'm coming to eat, which is the banku. It's a popular Ghanaian food, which is originated from Ewe. The Francis call it Eto, and the difference is that the banku comes with corn dough and cassava dough, but with the Francis they don't add cassava dough to it. Okay, so it's a rich man food when it comes with tilapia. As you can see, I have my tilapia here. You can't just come to East Legon without eating banku and tilapia. Okay, you have to have a rich man's land. So you eat banku with tilapia, not common fish. That's what I can say for now. So you know table manners when you're eating, you don't talk. So for now, I'm going to pause and enjoy my meal, then we continue with the video. So catch you. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm done. I want us to take a walk around East Legon so that you know where I came to eat. So from here, I'll take you around, okay? So just relax and wait. Okay guys, so I'm here, I'm stepping down. I want to show you around, to show you some places here so that you know where I am. Okay, so you can see some nice buildings from behind. Okay, so I'm taking you to a place. I'm at American International School, and I'm taking you to Starbites. We are not going to enter because I've already eaten and I'm full. So I'm going to show you Starbites. Then we continue with the video some other time. If you want more of this video, just kindly subscribe to my channel, and there will be more of this to come. Okay, so we are. Okay, so that is Starbites. As you can see, that's Starbites. They have some nice roads and buildings around this place. Okay, so guys, I'm so exhausted. I'm tired. Okay, it's almost 4 p.m. and I have to go back to the house. So I think we'll end the video here and continue some other time. I hope you had fun. We'll do more of this video. So as I said earlier, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share and leave the notification bell on. So till we meet again, this is from your sweet, suspicious mother. Bye bye.